Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make an Indian sweet, Rava laddu, infused with a rich cardamom flavor and mixed with plenty of nuts and dried fruits. This Rava laddu tastes so good and is very easy to make too. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. First, let's prepare the sugar. Take 3/4 cups of sugar. Into that, add 3 cardamons. You can add 4. If you prefer a strong cardamom flavor, then grind them to a fine powder. Don't open the grinder's jar soon after grinding. Let the powdered sugar settle down for a few seconds. Then pour it into a bowl. Now add 1 cup of semolina into the grinder's jar and grind for only 20 to 30 seconds. Don't grind until it becomes like flour. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped cashew nuts. You can use any nuts you like. Here I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and raisins, but fry only the cashew nuts. Fry until they become golden brown. Now the cashew nuts have fried well. Remove them from the pan. Now lower the flame and add the ground semolina. Roast them for around 7 minutes. Be careful not to burn the semolina. Keep stirring occasionally to avoid burning. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Now after 7 minutes you can see that the semolina has slightly changed color and has got very hot. Now add the powdered sugar and give a good mix. Turn off the stove after 30 seconds. Break any sugar lumps, but be careful as it will still be quite hot. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted ghee and mix well. Now take some hot milk and pour 2 tablespoons of milk and mix. Take a handful of the mixture and make a ball. Gently but firmly like this. This can take around 30 minutes per ball. If you feel the mixture is too dry, add a little milk and mix. But be careful not to add too much milk. I have used only 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. 1 cup of semolina yields about 20 laddus. If you want to make a large quantity of laddus and want them last for a few weeks, instead of milk, add only melted ghee to make the laddus. This delicious melt-in-the-mouth laddus can be ready in just 1 hour, and you can enjoy them right away. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.